Welcome to the BEEVisio training. So, to finish up, you can now export the assembly. Either it's already marked as an assembly, in which case I can export it. Here too, I select my folder. And I can actually export it as a 3D PDF file. Right, and then I always add at the end that I know it's a 3D PDF. The program adds PDF as an identifier at the end anyway, but by what I type in, I also know that this is a 3D PDF. And it makes sense if I later on open it in Adobe Reader. The prompt will appear that it's essentially a different format, a 3D model, and that I basically have to authorize it, and only then can I actually view it. And it's just good to know that in advance. So please do include that. Yeah. Thank you for watching and see you in the next BEEVisio training session.